Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with a birthday card today. I failed to share my deck the year yesterday. Life just throws you um, a curveball and you just have to roll with it. So I will be back to share my deck the year, but I sat down today. I needed to make a birthday card and I wanted to use Mary's sketch, one of Mary's sketches, and so yeah, that's what I'm here to do. So Mary is from Cards TV. I think I've shared her her channel. I will have her link down below. Um, she has 64 sketches in her on her website, and this is uh, her, if I can focus, great, cardstv.blogspot.com. It's free to download, and I um, added them to the, what do you call them? They're photo mats from the Dollar Tree. She has them as well in these. All I did was I took a piece of paper and I did a collage on them on the front and the back with just random sheets of paper, scraps that I had on hand. So I used for this week's birthday card, or it's for my mother-in-law, sketch number 3, and it's really easy to follow. I used these stickers from the Dollar Tree. I really am liking Mary's videos, and her husband does, what is it called? Wayne's Wednesday card challenge. And he pulls 3 sheets of paper from her scrap bin or from her kits now, and he picks a sketch, and Mary has to create from what he's picked. And I would have to say they have been awesome. He does a really good job. So anyway, um, these are the papers that I use. This is from an old Recollections Valentine's Day paper pad that I have, and you don't have to use your paper pads for that exact holiday. You can pick and choose them, pick and choose papers from them. They not necessarily has to do with Valentine's. And I wanted a red and pink paper that would go pretty well with these stickers that I chose. So I used that, and here is my card, and I'm just in love with it. I think it's simple, quick. I love the look of it. I didn't use the scallop. I should have, because it makes the card so much prettier. And I could have used a scallop, a smaller scallop rectangle. I'll do that next time. But as far as the sketch goes, I use the pattern paper. Here is the sticker from the Dollar Tree sticker pack. Here's happy birthday. The sketch shows it down here, but I like it. I like it right there. And then I added some bling from my stash. Yeah, and that is my card for my mother-in-law, actually. I have to do a masculine one for my nephew now. So I will be back with another video. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great Friday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.